Every company right now says it's deploying AI agents. Here's the uncomfortable part. Most of those projects are quietly failing. So let's separate the hype from what actually works and pin down exactly where AI agents make a business money today. Start with a reality check. Gartner surveyed over 3,000 companies and predicts more than 40% of agentic AI projects will be scrapped by 2027. Killed by cost, unclear value, and weak controls. And most of what's sold as an agent isn't even one. They call it agent washing, slapping the word agent on old chatbots and automation. Of the thousands of vendors claiming to sell agents, Gartner found only about 130 are the real thing. In their analysts' words, most agentic projects today are early-stage experiments, mostly driven by hype. And the money story is brutal. MIT studied enterprise AI and found 95% of generative AI pilots deliver no measurable impact on the bottom line, despite $30 to $40 billion poured in. Only 5% actually move revenue. So is it all hype? No, it's just badly understood. Here's the key distinction. An agent isn't a smarter chatbot. It takes actions across multiple steps, and that's exactly where it breaks. MIT's Sinan Aral points out agents struggle with tasks humans do easily, like handling exceptions. In real deployments, about 80% of the work is boring integration and data plumbing, not the AI itself. But some agents clearly work. Box CEO Aaron Levie calls it a tale of two cities. In his words, agentic coding has clearly taken off inside engineering teams. Tools like Cursor and Claude Code are real, daily, and paid for. Why? Coding has fast feedback and easy verification. Remember that pattern. It's the tell. And it's not just coding. A scoped sales agent at the software community SaaStr booked meetings and closed over $1 million in its first 90 days. Narrow, high-volume, measurable tasks. That's where agents earn their keep right now. Take Klarna. Its AI assistant handled 2.3 million chats in a single month, about 2/3 of all support, saving a reported $40 million a year. Impressive. But then Klarna hit the ceiling. On nuanced cases, the answers went generic, so it rehired humans. The lesson isn't don't. It's know the limit. So why do most agents stall? Not the model. MIT was blunt. The core barrier to scaling is not infrastructure, regulation, or talent. It is learning. Today's tools don't remember, don't adapt, and don't improve from feedback. Fine for a one-off task, brittle across a real workflow. Even the people building this admit it. On Marina Mogilko's Silicon Valley Girl podcast, Microsoft AI's CEO Mustafa Suleyman said it plainly. Agents don't really work yet. The action stuff is still progressing. Notice, not never, not yet. That one word is the whole ballgame. Which brings the big clash. Will agents replace whole departments? The headlines scream now. But Suleyman puts real, structural job loss around 2050, decades away. Tasks get automated fast, entire jobs far slower. Agents replace my team this quarter is hype. Agents took over a task this quarter is real. So here's the honest scorecard. Works today. Coding, narrow customer support triage, data extraction, drafting, and research. Still hype. Fully autonomous multi-step agents, set it and forget it, and replacing an entire function. Narrow and supervised beats broad and autonomous, every single time, right now. Now, how to actually win with them. 1. Buy, don't build. MIT found buying from specialist vendors succeeds about 67% of the time, roughly double a do-it-yourself build. For most businesses, a proven, narrow tool beats a custom agent project that dies in the lab. 2. Put it on a leash. Suleyman's design rule is to give an agent limited scope, make it check in with you, and keep it accountable. Pick one job, define what it's not allowed to do, and require human approval for anything risky. 3. Keep a human in the loop, but move them. As Levy puts it, we haven't removed humans, we've changed where they enter the loop. The new role isn't doing the task. It's designing, checking, and signing off on the agent's work. So here's the playbook. Pick one narrow, high-volume, easy-to-verify task. Buy a proven tool instead of building your own. Put guardrails and a human check on it. And measure one number before and after. Do that, and you land in the 5% that actually gets ROI, which is exactly the work we do with companies at Omash.ai. AI agents are real, just earlier than the hype admits. Subscribe and we'll keep telling you what actually works, not what's trending. I'm Alex with Omash AI. See you in the next one.